mute your microphone, okay? Yes, mute your microphone. Open your Marigold book. Open your Marigold book and chapter number, the story of the road. The story of the road. The story of the road. Page number 57. I am just telling beta, please mute your microphone. So page number 57 will open, and one thing I am just telling, please remember that whatever story I am just telling, that and teaching that, only this story will read, not another. Because trains I am not teaching. Now please don't read trains. Afterwards, if I teach, only you will read. Now I am just teaching story of the road, and also question answer also I will just ask. Please beta, don't unmute your microphone. Sarina, Shatik, Sheikh Wahid, Snehanjana, Shostab, why are you unmuting? Shubhosri. Swagatam, Shubhosri, I have muted again. You have Upayan Mathur, Swagatam Rai. So again I am just telling, Sarina Susan, Shatik Mukherjee, Sheikh Wahid, Snehanjana Paja. Okay, no need to write. I am just telling, no need to write. Shohana Khondkar, Sostav Ghosh also is there. Shohana Khondkar, Shubhosri Karmakar, Swagatam Rai, and also Upayan Mathur. Okay, beta. One thing, today I'll teach the story of the road. Please open your book at page number 57. Please read with me. It is early morning. The road is asleep. Everything is quiet. Everything is quiet. But listen, the birds are calling softly. Chirp, 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 says the sparrows. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Caw, 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 says the crow. Caw, 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 wake up, wake up. Here is someone else now. Tring-a-ling, tring-a-ling. It is the newspaper boy. So here is someone else now. In the morning, if you are getting early, you can just listen. The sparrows are chirping, chirp, 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 and also at the same time that we can see that not only the sparrows, that the sparrows are chirping, the crows are doing the caw, 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 and at the same time, the newspaper man is coming. Okay, so here newspaper man is coming with a bicycle. The bicycle sound, tring-a-ling, tring-a-ling, says the bicycle. Next, chirp, 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 says the sparrows. Caw, caw, says the crow. Wake up. Crow is telling to us, wake up, it is morning. Sun is coming, just sun is shining. After that, who is coming now? It is the vegetable man. Peas, cauliflowers, cabbages, says the vegetable man. Potatoes, cucumbers, radishes, carrots. Caw, says the crow, wake up. Chirp, chirp, says the sparrows. Tramp, 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 chatter, 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 chatter. Who are these? They are children going to school. Chatter, 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 talk the school children. Tramp, 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 go their shoes. Peas, carrots, cabbages, calls the vegetable man. Chirp, 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 says the sparrows. Caw, caw, says the crow. Wake up. Caw, 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 says the crow. Caw, caw, wake up. Wake up, asks the road. Can't you see, you foolish bird? I am wide awake. So, in the morning, if we are just getting up, we can see like this. Sometime near your window, near your door, the vegetable man is coming and they are telling, will you take vegetables? But instead of that, they are calling peas, cauliflower, cabbages, and also the radishes, cucumbers, everything is there. Okay, so it is the vegetable man is there. And after that, sometime before the newspaper is coming early in the morning with the bicycle, and it is sound is tringaling, tringaling. Okay, that is coming like this, tringaling, tringaling. Then after that, we are hearing sound to whom? The schoolboy. Okay, now you are missing the school, but when you are coming, just entering the school, your chattering just will be started. You are chattering with your student, with your friends. Swagatam, I think, are you just quiet or you are chattering with your father and mother? Continuously chattering in my class, Swagatam. I could not make him stop. Swagatam is continuously chattering and chattering. But now I am really missing your chattering. Isn't it? And okay, I think I am hopeful that school will open very soon and also you will chatter again. Okay, beta. So here, after that, what they are telling? Their children are going to school. Chatter, chatter, chatter. Talk the school children. Tramp, tramp, tramp. Go their shoes. So tramp is that sound of shoes. Peas, carrot, cabbages, calls the vegetable man. Chirp, 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 says the sparrows. Caw, caw, says the crow. Wake up. Caw, 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 says the crow. Because crow is continuously telling, wake up, and wake up. Wake up, asks the road. Can't you see me, foolish bird? I am wide awake because they are going to school. So why are you doing that, caw, caw? Because crow is annoying us, continuously doing the caw, caw, and caw. Okay. So page number 60 will go and we'll write the question answer. Number 1. What sounds do you hear? Do you hear on the road in the morning? Answer is there. What sounds do you hear on the road in the morning? So we hear the sounds of sparrows, crows, newspaper man, vegetable man. I am writing this just upper portions. Man, vegetable man, and also the chattering of chattering, chattering. Okay, next here I am just chattering of also the Chattering of who is lying and not writing? Just opened. I have seen that. Okay, let me see. But here, no. What sounds do you hear? Okay, let me see. Again, I am telling that. What sounds do you hear on the road in the morning? Okay, in the morning. Okay, here you cannot see. In the morning. Answer is there. We hear the sounds of sounds of can you see now? Sounds of okay, sparrows. Here I am writing, okay. Sparrows, crow, newspaper man, vegetable man, and also the chattering of chattering, chattering. Only question I am just rubbing. Question I am rubbing, okay? Chattering of the school children. Please write slowly. Again, I am telling we hear the sounds of sparrows, crows, newspapermen, vegetablemen, and also the chattering of the school children. Question number 2. Please write slowly. What is vegetable man calling? Selling. What is the vegetable man selling? The vegetable man. Yes. Vegetable. Yes. I'm in a class 4. What? Yes, please better write now. Oh, class 4. That is, I think, before that class it is written. So you are in class 3. No need to look like this. Please look at this question. What is the vegetable man selling? Now 3 far. What is the vegetable man selling? What is the vegetable man selling? Here, answer I am just writing. You can also look at that YouTube video. Slowly you can write. What's the vegetable man selling? Answer is there. The vegetable man is selling. Again, please, beta, don't talk. Mute your microphone. Peas, cauliflower. Who is talking continuously? Let me see. Sheikh Wahid. So, the vegetable man is selling peas, cauliflowers, cabbages, peas, cauliflower, cabbages, radishes, cucumbers, etc. Question number 3. Why is the road annoyed with the crow? With the Again, question number 2, I am telling vegetable man is selling peas, cauliflowers, cabbages, radishes, cucumbers, etc. Okay. So next, number 3, why is the road annoyed with the crow? Why is the road annoyed with the crow? Answer is there. The crow is continuously calling, though everyone wakes up. Everyone wakes up already. Wakes up. Okay. So why? Continuously calling. CONTINUOUSLY. Continuously calling, though everyone wakes up already. So this is the number 3 questions. After that, next day I will do. And if you are having any problem, you can ask me to my e-portal. And also now also you can ask me. And also you can get this class in your YouTube channel. Okay, beta? Thank you. Have a nice day. Please complete the questions. And also I'm telling, please learn all the question answer properly. And what chapter I am teaching, only learn these chapters. Another chapter like this trains, whenever I will teach, that time you will learn. Another's you please don't learn. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.